What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. Alright, so I have an eyebrow tutorial for you guys today. Yes, a nice, cute, natural, simple, beginner friendly, if you're not used to it either, eyebrow tutorial for you guys. So I'm not going to waste any more time. We're going to jump right into it. Starting off, as you can see, I am brushing my eyebrows into place. This is a must for the first step of your brow tutorial. Get your hairs into place. And, you know, my eyebrows are a little sparse, so I had to take a little extra time and just work the sides, you know. Alright, now that our brows are in place, we're going to start with our pencil. I just use any old eyebrow pencil from the drugstore. You know, it works just fine for me. Hey. So I'm going to start by outlining my brows. I'm going to start from the top. And I just like starting from the top because usually once I do the first outline, it kind of gives me an understanding of what my brow shape is going to be like, as you can kind of see. And then once that is done, I just outline the bottom. Okay, girl, as you can kind of see, we working with something. Like, we see the shape. Like, now we kind of have the picture. Now we just need to complete it. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to go ahead and do the second eyebrow. And once the second one is done, then we're going to go back in and fill in our brows. But just a little side note, when I start my brows, I just start right at the very tip of where my brow, I guess, begins with the outline. And I do the same for the bottom. Like, I don't go too far down. I don't go too far in my brows. I just kind of start at the very edge. I don't overline it or underline it. Okay, y'all, now we're working with something. So as you see, we have the shape. Now we're just going to take our same pencil and just go back in and fill our brows in. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be, you know, great and whatever. Just, you know, fill it in. Just get it dark. You know, fill it in enough because we're going to go back behind the pencil and fill in our brows with a brow powder. The brow powder is a very, very, very important step. Like, I never fill in my eyebrows without my brow powder. Because basically, like, the brow powder is just kind of like, it darkens my brows. It sets the pencil in place so that it won't smudge or smear throughout the day. Like, it's very important. Like, it just helps your brows stick and stay. I am using the BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio to fill in my brows for this next step. Like I said, this is an important step, y'all. Just look at how dark my brows are getting. Like, y'all see that? That's what I'm talking about. This is like, it's just, it's satisfying, honestly. But this is a must, though. So, if you're going to go in a pencil, you need to set it with the powder. Also, I just want to start by saying I thank you guys for making it this far into the video. I know y'all may be thinking like, so I don't know, like, these brows looking a little wonky, they looking a little crazy. But I promise you, it's all going to come together, okay? It's a process. You have to trust the process. But no worries. We are near the end now, you guys. So we're going to take our fun step, our concealer, and you know what we do with concealer. We are going to shape these brows to how we want them to be. We're going to get a nice, smooth, crisp, clean cut line. Now I know some people are a little heavy-handed with the concealer. I'm usually not, especially for this very simple makeup look that I did today, which I do have the video on that look, so if you guys want to see it, I will have the link popping up right here. But, you know, like I said, y'all can use as much concealer as you need, okay? I'm taking my sponge and I'm just blending out that concealer. Y'all, please blend your concealer out well. Please. You know, it's not cute when you walk around with a harsh line of concealer around your brows. Like, it's not cute at all. So, just blend, blend, blend. Oh my gosh, we have made it to our final step, y'all. So we're just going to take the spoolie end of our brush and just do upper strokes on our brows. We're just going to fade out that harsh line there so that, you know, it kind of blends in very smoothly, you know. It just fades in. And that is basically it. Once you do that, you are done with the brows, boo-boo. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I really hope it was helpful. Please leave a comment if you liked it. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. I will see y'all in my next video. Love y'all.